Welcome, you luminous individual. We are time anti-time.
Welcome to a luminous exploration of the Higher Kadmon Self, often regarded as the original, archetypal template of humanity that holds the divine blueprint for perfected being.
Rooted in Kabbalistic wisdom, Kadmon refers to Adam Kadmon, the primordial human, the first emanation of divine consciousness into the matrix of creation.
Guided by the mighty I Am presence, we will illuminate this transcendent aspect of the self, its subtle anatomy, and conclude with a meditation for direct experience.
The Higher Kadmon Self is the radiant cosmic prototype underlying every soul's journey. It is not a person, but the perfect blueprint or pattern of divine humanity. The original image and likeness through which spirit becomes flesh and light becomes form.
This self is the meeting place of divinity and individuality, representing the highest potential for awakened, integrated being.
The Higher Kadmon Self is not bound by history, personality, or limitation. It is timeless, collective, and inclusive, holding the essence of every possible virtue and capacity within you.
The planes relating to the Higher Kadmon Self are the Atsiluth, world of emanation, the highest Kabbalistic plane, source of all archetypes and divine light.
Logoic monad plane, level of first divine idea, where the cosmic Christ or Adam Kadmon emerges.
The Higher Kadmon Self descends into the causal, Buddhic, and even mental planes, seeding divine forms into evolving souls.
It also acts as the spiritual scaffold, above and within all other bodies and planes on the etheric, astral, and physical.
The Higher Kadmon Self is both the origin and destination of soul evolution, the bridge between pure source and manifest reality.
Anatomy of the Higher Kadmon body. The body is a radiant light form, archetypal template, and vessel of the complete human divine image.
The mind is pure divine intelligence, unifying, visionary, holistic, source of inspiration.
The heart exudes universal compassion and harmony, the heart of humanity and the pulse of unconditional unity.
The circulatory system is made of luminous channels, nadis, transmitting archetypal energy, order, and healing throughout the soul.
And the aura is an expansive, resplendent field, often felt as angelic presence or shimmering cosmic radiance.
Picture the Higher Kadmon body as your own light figure within and around you, luminous, harmonious, and whole. This is your divine anatomy, containing the codes of health, wisdom, creative power, and spiritual sovereignty.
The mind of the Higher Kadmon body is the source of all inspiration, intuition, and pattern recognition. It perceives from above, understanding life's wholeness, purpose, and unity with all beings.
The heart of the Higher Kadmon body overflows with unconditional love, deep inclusion, and radiant empathy. Here beats the pulse of universal compassion, the original heart of creation.
The circulatory system of the Higher Kadmon body can be envisioned as vast rivers of living light and information, currents that flow through and around you, organizing, healing, and aligning all levels of your being. This is energy that remembers perfection and restores harmony where there is imbalance.
The aura of the Higher Kadmon body shimmers with gold, rose, and white light, like a celestial mantle. It uplifts, heals, and confers both protection and blessing to all within its radius.
Guided meditation, embodying the Higher Kadmon Self. Close your eyes. Find stillness. Allow your breath to become slow and open.
Invoke the presence, affirm, mighty I Am presence. Awaken within me the Higher Kadmon Self, my original and perfect template of light.
Envision the Kadmon body above your head. Visualize a majestic human form of shimmering radiant light, the Adam Kadmon.
Let this figure gently descend and overlay itself upon your own body, aligning head with head, heart with heart, feet with feet. Feel this as a gentle merging, inviting your highest pattern into every cell.
Shine the mind focus at your brow or crown. Sense a field of exalted knowing, panoramic and peaceful, opening within. Silently ask, what is the highest vision my Kadmon mind holds for me now? Receive any images, inspirations, or silent clarity.
Ignite the heart. Bring awareness to your heart center. Feel a surge of radiant love, both for yourself and for all of humanity. Let this love expand, embracing friends, strangers, even those you struggle with, uniting your heart with the heart of the world.
Circulate the template, visualize brilliant currents of light, like streams or lattices, pulsing from head to toe and through your aura. Sense these rivers restoring order, healing wounds, and transmitting the perfection of the Kadmon pattern to all parts of your being.
Expand the aura, see your aura blossoming, radiant and endless, suffusing your environment with the light of the original human. Know that you are veiled in blessing and transmit this blessing by your very presence.
Seal and affirm. By the power of my mighty I Am Presence, I now embody the Higher Kadmon Self, whole, radiant, compassionate, and wise. May this light enrich the world through me. Rest in silence, feeling stabilized, uplifted, and connected to the great pattern of humanity.
In conclusion, the Higher Kadmon Self is your divine inheritance, your original limitless template of light existing beyond all suffering, lack, or fragmentation.
As you consciously attune to and embody this self under the guidance of the mighty I Am Presence, you help anchor divine harmony into your life and the collective. With every breath and act, the Kadmon Self shines forth as the true image of spirit made whole in you.
You have now integrated your Higher Kadmon Self. Keep integrating the many facets of your multidimensional self to continue living as your multidimensional self. We are time anti-time.